Good students, today I am going to teach you about force. What is force? Force is very important concept which is very used in our life. Here all work is done by a force. Here force means push or pull which act on the body. This is body, this body we push or pull. Then force act on the body. That is known as force, by which we push or pull, which act on the body. We push or pull, which acts on the body. That is known as force. So you can write here a push or pull, a push or pull which acts on the body, which acts on the body is called force. Is called force. Is called force. By force, we change the direction of the body. Moving body, we can stop by force. We can be stopped of any object, moving object by force. By force, we can change the direction of body. We can move. When body stop, then we can move of the body by force. And moving object, we can stop of the body by force. Thus, force is very important portion. Here, by force, you can change the state of the body. Or here, look here, by force, a push, we open the door. Look here, door opened by a boy by force. Here, pull of the bag, open the bag by pull, which is a force. Which acts, pull, force act on the bags. Here, writing on a sheet, push and pull both. We need in push and pull both to writing by pen. So, okay students, here you know that effect of force, many effects of force upon the body by force. Here, effect of force can be observed mainly in four ways. Here, effect of force means change in position of the body. Change the position of the body by force. We can change speed of the any objects, change speed of any object by push or by force, change in shape and size by a force. Here ball is pushed, pressed by the hand. Here change in shape and size of the object by force, change in direction, and we can change the direction by force. The different types force effect on the body. Okay, students. Thus, the force is a very important role to do any work. Therefore, you learn this concept clearly and write in your notebooks. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, students? Thank all of you.